Today in this video, we'll show you how to log in your Binance account on PC. If you are trying to log in from your computer, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the web browser of your choice, whether it's Google Chrome or Firefox or any. Now, search for Binance.com. You'll be taken to Binance official website. Here, you'll see the option to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Create Binance account to create one. Now, inside the login page, you can enter your email or phone number or use options to log in via Google or Apple. For this example, we'll be going through email process. On the next screen, enter your password. Be sure to enter the correct one. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. You can reset it by clicking the forgot password. Once your password is entered, click next. For security, Binance will send a verification code to your phone or email. Now, open your Binance app and confirm the request. If you don't have the app on your phone, you can switch to your different methods by selecting Switch to another verification method. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose an authentication method. Choose email and a verification code will be sent to your email inbox. Go to the assigned Gmail and you should see the email from Binance with the verification code. Copy the code, then return to Binance login tab and enter the code. And that's it. You are now logged in into your Binance account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.